Just wanted to give you a little tutorial on Blackboard. If you're new to Blackboard, I've opened up a browser here and you can see it's just the Google page, and I have a shortcut to the Miracosta College website. So I went ahead and clicked on it, and you'll see over here on the left hand side there's a variety of hot links, and the one you want to click on is Blackboard/online education. And then you're going to go ahead and click on log into Blackboard. And now my passwords, my Surf ID and password are a little bit different. I think your Surf ID is going to be your W number, your student ID number, and then whatever your password is that you set. Again, my interface is going to look a little bit different because I'm the teacher, but yours is probably going to look something like this right after you launch the Blackboard interface. This right here is what's called the home page, and you can scroll through. I just picked a number of different areas that you can browse through. Announcements are usually the things where I have a mass kind of email / thing. You should be getting a little email whenever there's an announcement. At least I try to always make sure that an email is sent to you guys if there's any updates. But let me go over here and kind of explain this the sidebar on the left hand side. This little button right there, if you click on it, it's going to collapse everything. A little triangle. And that's basically your home. So the home page is always going to be like this. The Welcome to Art orientation is also a link to the home page. Clicking on this, you will get a download for your syllabus. If you just want to see announcements, you can click on announcements. What I have are these little dividers. You can see these little dividers, and within each divider, I've tried to kind of make little chunks of content for you guys. So up above, you have your midterm. Now, I just want to put a bug in your ear to remember to start thinking about your midterm. You have to go to a museum or a gallery or a public art event, or it could be a performance, but you have to go to it. It can't be something that you did before, like last summer. Okay. I have. When you turn in your midterm, you can click on it here, and it takes you to a page which is called there's a program called Turn It In, and then what you can do is you should be able to upload your midterm research paper by clicking on View / Complete, and then it should allow you the opportunity to attach or upload or cut and paste. Okay, the Turn It In. You'll see here submit paper, and then what you can do is single file upload. I'm not an enrolled student, but this will be you. You'll put your name, your submission title, and then you'll browse for your paper. And just so you guys know, Turn It In is a plagiarism program. I'm not really big on worrying about it, but I do want you guys to be thinking about your original content, and this is one way that it can automate plagiarism. Down below the midterm, you'll see that I have a series of links for every chapter that we're doing. And by and large, what we're doing is we're doing 2 chapters per 2 weeks. And so your homework is due every 2 weeks on Sunday at midnight. I started out with chapter 1 and chapter 4 because chapter 4 is dealing with the meaning of art. Chapter 1 is just kind of an intro. And then chapter 2 starts going into like the media and that kind of stuff. So I'll start posting this stuff. I have the content. I just want to update it for you guys and maybe make it slightly more interesting. And by and large, the due date will be right there. So you'll see it's due on the 27th, which is coming up. And then down below the final, but it's not posted yet, but it's going to be there. I'm going to post it by, say, a couple weeks before the actual final is due. So just so you know, that's how that works. Now, if you have any questions, you can always email or give me a call on my office phone, and I'll get a voicemail from you. But by and large, it's a pretty straightforward interface, I think. If you have any trouble, just let me know. But that's our basic interface for our class. And that's it.